All right. Hey, what's up, folks? It's Cody again. Just wanted to say thanks for like all the engagement and carrying on this conversation. I think that's really cool. So, yeah, let's talk about like who actually handles the promotion. So, like, say you're a band and you've lined up your gig with the venue, and you're like, okay, well, yeah, so like they're gonna promote us, our band, right, for a show, right? They're gonna tell all the people, and then we're gonna show up, and it's gonna be a full house because, like, hey, the place has got a band in there. It's gonna draw a crowd. Well, at the same time, on the other hand, the venue's like, oh yeah, we've hired this band, and they're gonna draw a crowd from their massive pool of, you know, super fans that they've got, and they're just gonna, pack the house, and it's all good, right? So yeah, it's just kind of like, have you ever, when you have a show, have you ever like asked what, who's handling the promotion side? Are we handling that, or are you guys, or are we kind of both got to pull together? How can we make it, an impactful show? How can we give something that's valuable to our audience, right? I'd like to hear you guys' thoughts about that. It's kind of something that, I remember, back when I was first starting out with my bands, it was kind of like, oh yeah, like we don't really have to worry about it because we've already got the gig, right? And the people will just kind of magically somehow they'll find out about it, and then they'll show up, right? If you build it, they will come, kind of like that. But yeah, it actually doesn't work like that. And also, if you are promoting your show and you are only using social media and you are only posting one time and then forgetting about it for like 2 weeks and not seeing it ever again, how many people actually saw that, right? If you want to have it like be even more effective, you got to kind of show up more than just once. Like, I don't know, I'd say do it every day, 3 times a day. The more the better, right? You got to tell somebody you're doing it if you actually like want to get some results out of it. Like, it's not just a magic thing that happens, it takes work. All right, so that's my thoughts for today. Absolutely, leave a comment below. Meet and greet, like let's meet up in person. I'd be happy to do that. Talk about this weird thing around promotion. Like, how do you guys handle it? It'd be kind of interesting to hear, like how, and like if you're just a music fan, how do you find out about shows? So yeah, that's the thoughts for today. Cheers. Talk to you next time. Bye.